KC squad. Yes, I am back with another video, but before we get into this video, all my newbies, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Definitely do not forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And as you can see by the title, this is a tutorial. Yes, I haven't done one of these in such a long time, and I will be reviewing this hair. But this is not a wig that I bought. This is not from an expensive seller. No one is sponsoring this video. This is beauty supply hair. I know that sometimes when we are in a rush and we want something new, just a quick throw on wig, we may not have the time to order a wig. We may want to have something different. So I have been shopping in the beauty supply lately, and I've been just seeing these, little display wigs that they have, and I am digging it. This is the 1-pack full head wig. Now, I wanted to put this to the test because when they say that, only 1 pack will make you a complete wig, really? Is it that easy? So I went ahead and purchased one of these. I don't want to say sets or kits, but that's pretty much what it is. They give you the hair, they give you the closure, so it's pretty much ready to go. All you have to do is glue it on, sew it, whatever it is that you want to do. So I purchased one of these. Let me go ahead and grab it. It is called the Premier Remy Touch. This is what it looks like. All right, the style is Oprah wave, which I love these little just beach waves, just kind of they are 8 inches. You have 4 pieces of hair. You have 3 bundles and a closure piece. Let me take it out of here. So you have the hair. All right, and then they give you a closure piece. I did not use a closure piece in this because my closure piece is kind of funny. It's like lopsided on one side, so I was not feeling that. So I just went ahead and made my own closure, which is great. Now, because I'm a person that likes to be prepared, I bought 2 packs because I felt like, no way, there's no way that this could be freaking 1 pack. So I bought 2 packs, and I'm actually glad that I did because this wig took a 1.5 packs of hair because I wanted to be, semi-full but not over full. So in the second pack, I still have 1 full bundle of hair, and I have a piece and then the closure. So just depending on how you like your wigs, if you like them to be full or if you like them to be thin, it's all about preference. It can be done with 1 pack, but of course it's going to be thin. If you want some volume and you want a little, a little bit more, then I would totally suggest that you go ahead and get a 2nd pack. Since this wig is only 8 inches long, I didn't have to do much cutting or anything. I just chopped my bangs. Depending on how you do this wig, you can make it to a little side part. You can also definitely do a little middle part. It all depends on how you make this wig. The great thing about this is that it is under $20. You cannot beat that, especially if it's something that you want to just, make one night so you can wear the next night. Under 20 bucks, if you order a wig online, it's going to be $40 plus shipping. So this is definitely a bargain. The color that I got is, this is 0T1V25. It has the black roots up at the top, and then it has that 27, which I love. This color is so bomb. They also have other colors, and because I'm so excited about this wig and how it turned out, and it's so good, that I decided to go ahead and purchase some other colors as well. This video is going to get all into the making of this wig. I am showing you guys the construction and everything that I did to make this wig. It's going to be a little bit of a talk over just to kind of give you some more instructions in detail, and I hope that you guys like it. The only thing that I regret is using the wig cap that I used, which I was being lazy because I wanted to get it done in that night, and of course, around the time that I did it, the beauty supply was closed, so I couldn't go and get the regular wig cap that I wear. So I'm not happy about the wig cap that I use, but I am totally in love with this wig. So if you guys are ready to get into the making of this budget-friendly wig, let's go. All right, let's get this tutorial started. Like I told you before, it is the premium Remy Touch hair in Oprah Wave. We got 4 pieces and it is 8 inches long. Now, we also have scissors. Of course, you have to have some shears. I also used thread. Now, here is this wig cap that I decided to use, but I didn't want to use. And then, of course, you got to have your wig head. We also have some pins. Got to have pins. And this is the hair. 8 inches. This color is in 0T 1B27. All right, you're gonna go ahead and put your wig cap on top of your foam head, wig making head, whatever it is that you have. I definitely suggest that you go ahead and pin it down so it does not shift as you are going on doing whatever it is that you're gonna do, whether you're gonna sew it or glue it or whatever. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then if you are a beginner, I definitely suggest that you do go ahead and pin your hair down. I've been doing this for a while, so I don't necessarily have to pin the hair down. I did in this video just to kind of show you what I was doing. Now, when you are making the wig, I went ahead and I have 1 inch of parting space for the wefts, because I'm going to go back in later on and just add the volume in. I don't even know what I was listening to, but OMG. For the back, I did sew from side to side until I reached maybe above the ear area. And then I started to take the hair and sew it around in a circle. That way you don't have a lot of bulkiness in the front, in the bang area. So now that you got the gist of it, just keep sewing your hair around in a circle until you are done. Like I told you guys, I did not use a closure. I just went ahead and just kept sewing around to close up the hole, because no one's going to be at the top of my head. So did nobody have time for all of that? This is what it looks like. It's kind of looking a mess because I haven't put my hands through it. I haven't cut the bangs or anything like that. So I hope that this helps somebody. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. And until the next video, adios.